So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. The portrait mode blur is supposed to make you look like a professional photographer, like this one's for example, but when the AI glitches, your hair looks like it was chopped off with a dull pair of scissors. Parts of your head disappear into the background blur, or there are jagged hollow effects around your head. So this happens because the AI struggles to distinguish fine strands of hair from the background, especially when the background is complex or similar in color to your hair. When you apply the blur tool, it simply erases whatever it thinks isn't face. So fortunately, FaceApp has a specific workflow designed to fix this exact problem. Fast and easy as usual, let's get straight into the point. First of all, you can use the background tool with caution. Instead of using the general lens blur tool, navigate to the background tab, select the background style, but before you save, look for the define or mask option. This allows you to paint back in the areas the AI missed. Zoom in on your hairline and use your finger to draw the hair back in. About the eraser method for hollows, if your hair is cut off, the fix is to actually undo the effect on the hair using the eraser tool. So all you gotta do is apply the background blur, then tap the eraser, carefully paint over the areas of your hair that were mistakenly blurred out. Distill the app to remove the fill blur filter from your hair strands specifically, leaving the background blurred. You can also use the merge feature for the layer edit, or just choose the simpler background. So that's the idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.